Friends, I am Professor Neeraj Khandare. We are discussing in halogen derivatives, chemical properties, nucleophilic substitution reaction. The second reaction is formation of alkane nitrile, or it is also known as alkyl cyanide. Alkyl cyanide. Okay. So what are the reagents now? When Rx when react with alcoholic KCN. I write here C triple bond N. Okay? Knowingly, to know that C triple bond N, it is known as cyanide, or this triple bond N is known as nitrile. Okay? So when alcoholic KCN is react with alkyl halide, this KX is removed, that is X nucleophile is replaced by CN nucleophile. X nucleophile, that is halide ion, is replaced by cyanide ion to get RCN plus KX. Let's see the reaction. Example: CH3 CH2 Br, that is ethyl bromide. When react with KCN, alcoholic. Don't forget to write this, alcoholic. Here we get KBr is removed, and this, the negative part, that is Cn minus ions, goes towards carbon having positive charge. So it get converted into CH3 CH2 Cn plus KBr. So the name of this compound is propyl nitrile or ethyl cyanide. Both are the name, but first is IUPAC name, second is common name. So in exam there will be asked, how will you convert ethyl bromide to propane nitrile? Ethyl bromide to propane nitrile. So in this we get the KCN as a reagent. Okay, when it reacts with ethyl bromide, it gives propane nitrile plus KBr. Okay, so next reaction, let's consider next reaction: CH3CH CH3 Br, that is what? Isopropyl bromide. Isopropyl bromide, when react with KCN, that is alcoholic. So here KBr is removed and we get CH3CH CH3 Cn plus KBr. Then where it is isopropyl bromide, it is isopropyl cyanide. The common name is isopropyl cyanide, but IUPAC name is 1 2, 3. So second has substitution. So name of this compound is 2-methyl. We can write methyl as Me. So 2-methyl propane nitride. Okay, so this is the IUPAC name of this, that is isopropyl cyanide. Okay, are you getting this? Now let's see next reaction. Here we change here alkyl isocyanide. Alkyl isocyanide. The reactant is different for this reaction. Let's see. When Rx is react with AgCN, the reacting species, that is attacking species, is not a cyanide. It is not from carbon. Okay, here when the reactant is AgCN and Rx and AgCN, the AgX is removed and the negative part, which carries negative part here? Here nitrogen carries negative part and is attacked on alkyl group. So here we can say that like this: AgC triple bond N. Here we get C triple bond N. Here the negative charge. Okay, so it carries a lone pair of electron. So when this shifted toward here, this shifted toward here, we get a resonating structure, that is C triple bond N negative charge. Okay, so this nitrogen which carries negative charge attack on Rx, that is R positive. Okay, so here Rx, here it gets removed and this negative part, means which carries nitrogen carries negative charge, attack on alkyl group. So this group, that is cyanide group, is also known as ambidient group. Means what? We know that amphibians means what? They are on earth surface, they live on earth surface and water in also. Okay, so like that cyanide group attack from carbon also and nitrogen also. So it is known as ambidient group. The cyanide group is known as ambidient group. In this, nitrogen attack on alkyl group. In earlier reaction, here carbon is attacking on, where the compound is KCl. The difference in this metal also. This metal is from S block element, that is alkali earth metals, whereas this is the transition metal, that is silver. Okay, so these 2 points remember in your mind. So let's see the reaction completely. When an alkyl halide react with AgCN, it gets converted into RNC plus AgX. Here it is alkyl halide we get alkyl. आता हा काय आहे, सायनाइड नाही आहे, हा काय आहे, आयसोसायनाइड. आयसोसायनाइड, we get alkyl isocyanide. Okay, let's see the example. CH3 CH2I plus AgC triple bond N. It gives here AgI is get removed, and here nitrogen goes towards CH2, so we get CH3 CH2 NC plus AgI. So it is ethyl iodide, common name, and the product is ethyl isocyanide. Or it is also known as ethyl carbylamine. Ethyl carbylamine. What is carbylamine? This group, opposite group, is known as carbylamine. That is N triple bond C. Here is N triple bond C. Okay, so attack from this, so it get converted into isocyanide, or also known as carbylamine. We can see this in our next topic, in amines. We can see this. Okay, so next is for your homework, two reactions, one from alkyl cyanide and one from isocyanide. Okay, you can write these reactions as homework. CH3 CH CH3 CH2I plus AgCN question mark, and second is CH3 CH2 CH CH3I plus KCN alcoholic question mark. Okay, so in this reaction boil is necessary, heat is necessary. So when what it names, it is 2-iodobutane react with KCN, you have to write the product. Here 2-methyl 1-iodo 2-methyl propane, 1-iodo 2-methyl propane plus AgCN give the product. These two examples for your homework. Okay, so next reaction, fourth reaction is formation of primary amines. Formation of primary amines. What is mean by primary amines? In our functional group in 11th science, we studied this is primary amine, this is secondary amine, and this is tertiary amine. Means this is primary, this is secondary, and this is tertiary amine. Okay? Primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amine. We have the topic on this, that is amines in after alcohols. alcohol, phenol and ether. This topic is in our syllabus, so we discuss in that topic. So we have to just consider here primary amines. How we get primary amines? When RX react with alcoholic ammonia, we write ammonia like this. I write here like this, or I can write also like this. Okay, in alcoholic. In our lab, we see that when ammonia is react with H2O, it get NH4OH. We call that liquid ammonia. In our lab, but ammonia is not in liquid form, it is in gaseous form. So when ammonia is dissolved in water, it gets converted into ammonium hydroxide. In lab, in last black colored bottle, that is ammonia bottle, we can use this. Whereas here alcoholic means it is dissolved in ethyl alcohol, dissolved in ethyl alcohol. When ammonia is dissolved in ethyl alcohol, is react with RX, that is alkyl halide, under heat and pressure. The HX is get removed and the negative part, that is NH2, goes towards alkyl group. So we get RNH2 plus HX, that is primary amine from alkyl halide. Okay, are you getting this? Now let's see the example of this. When CH3 CH2I react with ammonia, that is alcoholic ammonia, in presence of heat and pressure. Here HI is get removed and the NH2 group attached to the CH2. So we get CH3 CH2 NH2 plus HI. Okay, हे लक्षात येतंय? So it is ethyl iodide and this is ethylamine. Ethylamine. Okay. Next example, CH3 CH CH3 Br plus H NH2. तुम्ही NH3 सुद्धा लिहू शकता, मी लक्ष देण्यासाठी असं लिहितोय. ओके, alcoholic, heat and pressure. Here HBr gets removed and we get CH3 CH CH3 NH2. Means what? Isopropyl bromide get converted into isopropyl amine. Isopropyl amine plus HBr. HBr. Are you getting this? Okay. Next reaction, formation of ethers. Fifth reaction is formation of ethers. Here, it is also known as Williamson's synthesis. Williamson's synthesis, the named reaction in our book. Okay, that is third named reaction. First named reaction is what? Finkelstein reaction, Schwarz reaction, and next is Woods reaction, which is in this. We can see this in Woods reaction. Next is, after this is Woods reaction. Let's see this Williamson's synthesis, the third named reaction in our chapter. Okay, where CH3CH2Br, when react with sodium ethoxide, heat, here what is sodium ethoxide? Let's consider first C2H5OH, that is an alcohol. याला काय म्हणणार आपण? इथेनॉल. When from hydrogen is removed and sodium is attached, so it becomes C2H5ONA. C2H5ONA. So it is eth, means 2 carbon, so it is eth. Okay, root name is eth. This is oxygen, so oxide, and this is sodium, so sodium ethoxide. Name come from like this. Okay, are you getting this? Sodium ethoxide, when heated with or boiled with ethyl bromide, NaBr is getting removed, and as we know that sodium is electropositive metal, so the negative part on del negative part on this oxygen, del positive part on this sodium. So NaBr, that is del negative and del positive. So this gets removed and the negative part of ethoxide, that is this, goes attached to the ethyl cation. So we get CH3CH2O C2H5, that is ethoxyethane or diethyl ether. Diethyl ether plus NaBr. Okay, next example, CH3CH2I plus NaOCH3. So when it boiled, NaI is getting removed and OCH3 goes towards CH3CH2, so we get CH3CH2OCH3. So here methoxy ethane plus NaI. Okay, now for your homework, 2 reactions, one from formation of amines and one from Williamson synthesis. CH3 CH2 CH CH3 iodide plus NH3, alcoholic. Heat, pressure, question mark. And second reaction, CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl plus NaO, CH3, sorry, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. Okay, here heat, question mark. ठीक है, these two for your homework. Okay, next reaction, formation of ester. Formation of ester. Ester something आया, it is ester. Okay, esters, when methyl iodide react with, let's see the example directly. When methyl iodide react with silver acetate, silver acetate, heat, here AgI is get removed and this COO minus goes towards CH3, so we get CH3 COO CH3, that is methyl acetate. Methyl acetate. Okay, acetate, why it is called as silver acetate? Where CH3COOH, that's it, that is acetic acid. From this, hydrogen is replaced by silver. It is +1 also, it is +1 also, so it gets replaced to get, this is what it forms, CH3COO minus. So it is here silver and this is acetate. The salt is formed silver acetate. When this silver acetate is react with methyl iodide, so here AgI is get removed and it forms CH3COO CH3, that is methyl acetate. Methyl acetate. Okay, are you getting this? Let's see another example. CH3 CH2I plus AgCOO CH3. Okay, here heat, again AgI is get removed, this attached to the ethyl group, so we get CH3COO C2H5, C2H5. Okay, here we get ethyl iodide to what? Ethyl acetate plus AgI. Okay, here AgCOO means The bond is not to Ag. Carbon is not bonded to Ag. It is bonded to oxygen. It is like this. CH3COO Ag. Okay. So when this react with I C2H5, so this gets removed and this attached to the oxygen. So this is the product. Okay, are you getting this? This is ethyl acetate, methyl acetate. Okay. Next, alkyl nitrite. New reaction is added in our syllabus. Seventh reaction, formation of alkyl nitrite. Alkyl nitrite. Here, when CH3I react with KNO2, KNO2, here we write like this, KON double bond O. This is potassium nitrite. Potassium nitrite. It is not like this. NO2 means not nitro here. Here NO2 means nitrite. So when methyl iodide react with potassium nitrite, here Ki is get removed, this, and the negative part means negative charge on oxygen goes towards CH3. So we get methyl nitrite. Methyl nitrite. Okay, this is methyl nitrite. Plus Ki. Let's see another example. C2H5I plus KON double bond O. Here Ki is get removed and this O attached to the ethyl group. So the product is C2H5ONO plus Ki, that is ethyl nitrite. Ethyl nitrite. Okay, are you getting this? Okay. Next, formation of nitroalkane. 8th reaction is formation of nitroalkanes. Here, when RX is react with AgONO, that is silver nitrite, alkyl halide. Here AgX is removed and the lone pair of nitrogen act as a nucleophile and attack on alkyl group. So we get here R-N double bond O minus, that is nitroalkane. Here the positive charge on nitrogen. So this one positive and one negative nullifies each other to form a stable compound, that is a nitro compound. Okay, let's see the example. CH3 CH2 Br react with AgON double bond O. that is silver nitride. Here AgBr is get removed. This is on oxygen, so it carries negative charge on oxygen, and the lone pair of nitrogen is attack on ethyl group. So we get CH3 CH2 and O minus double bond O. Nitrogen loses its lone pair of electron, so it carries positive charge and this negative charge. So nullify this to form stable nitro ethane. Next example, let's see the next example here. CH3 CH2 CH2 Br plus AgONO arrow. Here AgBr is get removed and his lone pair on oxygen attack on this CH2 to form CH3 CH2 CH2 NO2 plus AgBr, that is nitropropane. Okay, here the chemical properties are finished. Okay, so there are some chemical properties after the substitution reaction, that is SN1 and SN2 reaction we studied in next lecture. Okay, so now for your homework, 3 reactions. First, CH3I plus CH3COO Ag question mark, CH3 CH2 Cl plus KNO2 question mark. Third, CH3 CH2 CH2, that changes CH3I plus AgNO2, or you can write for this or for this, that is KONO and AgONO. Okay, so question mark. These 3 for your homework. Okay.